Hello and happy Monday, traders. I wanted to make a real quick video of my mistake for this week. I say this week because it started on Friday. I have recently started trading the ticker TQQQ, and I don't remember if I made a profit on this one or not. Very small. Anyway, I'm fairly new to this ticker. I'm not really comfortable with how it moves, and it tracks the overall market, which realistically I've been kind of bearish on for a while, but I decided to take a position on Friday, as you can see here. Again, I apologize for the poor video quality. I will work on that if this is something we continue doing. However, right now I just wanted to get a video in. Friday, I decided to take a position on TQQQ, which tracks /INQ, and I decided to buy because I thought that it was going to push up past resistance here, and that was related to the engulfing candles that I observed, and the fact that the overall market has been pushing up for the last several months. And what you see here is a continued downtrend for the rest of the day. Reason being, there was an announcement about the Wuhan coronavirus outbreak, and I made the decision to purchase a little bit more, not much, one additional share after the market closed, because the price had still come down a little more during the day. However, it seemed to be holding above this old resistance level here from the previous days in the week. I was hoping, which is not a good trading strategy if you're not familiar, I was hoping that the market would recover by Monday. And one of the biggest reasons this is an issue is that if you bag hold a trade, which is different from swing trading, if you have planned out a swing trade in anticipation of a ticker moving in your anticipated direction and it happens to go wrong, that's just part of the game. What I did here was buy in, and I did plan on holding it for a couple of days. I just didn't anticipate that the direction was turning around. What I should have done was sold at my resistance level here. However, I let it trick me that it started to bounce into thinking that it was going to turn around by Monday, as it has recovered a few times in the past with other news events. Anyway, so the market opened this morning and I followed it for a little while. As you can see, as it crossed over the VWAP and the 50-day EMA, I decided to buy another 10 shares in the hopes that I could average my position price up as the price increased. However, shortly thereafter, it dipped back down below all of the moving averages that I follow again, and I made the decision to cut my losses at that point. One of the biggest lessons that I have learned is that if you hold on to a position that has started doing something other than you anticipated, you are more than likely going to have to sell later at a much more substantial loss. And if you decide to, instead of bag holding, go ahead and sell out immediately and then wait for the direction to clarify itself, or possibly you switch your ticker. So in this case, I could have sold my TQQQ position immediately and switched over to SQQQ, and then I would have ended in the positive. I ended up losing about $500 on this trade, and the only reason is that I did not sell it as soon as I identified that the trade had turned against me. I was hoping that the trend upwards would continue in the market, and it did not. That's not to say that it may not recover within the next few days, but I made the decision to go ahead and sell out here so that I could free up my capital for other trades later in the week. All right, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And again, I apologize for the poor video quality. If people end up liking these videos and finding value in them, I will invest in a bit more equipment so that you can follow my day trades. I hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Bye. Oh, and please remember to smash that like button.